Welcome to Business News. I am Chiwendu Usisiogo. The Nigerian Employers Consultative Association has decried the recurring delay in the passage of the national budget, saying it does not help economic growth and threatens foreign direct investment. This was contained in a statement made available to newsmen on Sunday. While decrying the development, NEDCA stated that the trend was already becoming a culture. Meanwhile, since 2014, the earliest time the budget was passed was in 2016. However, President Muhammadu Buhari presented a budget proposal of 8.83 trillion naira for 2019 to the National Assembly on December 19, 2018. The 2019 total budget estimate is 300 billion naira lower than the 9.1 billion naira budget of the preceding year, and the president said 4.04 trillion naira or 50.31% was earmarked for recurrent expenditure, and 2.03 trillion naira representing 22.98% earmarked for capital projects. The Director General of NEDCA, Timothy Olawale, described the process as disheartening, delay in the passage of the national budget, arguing that some other African countries had moved beyond such level. According to him, if truly the country wants to move onto the track of economic prosperity as soon as possible, then there is a need to accord extreme importance to the early passage of the budget. The Association of Bureau de Change Operators of Nigeria said it has secured a no-objection approval from the Central Bank of Nigeria to launch an initiative called Life Run Automation Portal. According to a statement, the project is expected to automate all BDC's operations with those of the Nigerian Interbank Settlement System, the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, and the CBN to improve the level of compliance of the BDCs with set regulations. The APCON President Aminu Gwadabe stated that the approval reaffirmed the regulator's commitment to a transparent and viable foreign exchange market with stakeholders' interests protected. Gwadabe noted that the world was going digital and the BDC operators under his leadership are committed to stay ahead of the competition by deploying time-tested technology to deliver effective services to customers. According to him, the portal will sustain transparent transactions in the BDC corridor and boost the morale of its members, as well as ensure their continuous operations. Analysts filed in weak earnings reports with the Nigerian Stock Exchange by some firms last week weighed on the equities markets, pushing investors to sell off their shares and take profits. The market halted its 2 weeks bullish run as the Nigerian Stock Exchange All Shares Index declined by 2.51% to settle at 30,636.36 basic points, dragging the year-to-date return to minus 2.53%. According to analysts at Maritime Securities Limited, investors took profit of most of the counter following the unimpressive financial scorecards mainly across the consumer goods sectors, which contributed to the market's underwhelming performance. The market, however, opened on a positive note this month as the all-share index gained 0.26% to settle at 30,636.36 bps on Friday, and the market capitalization of equities listed on the NSE increased by 20 billion naira from 11.394 trillion naira on Thursday to 11.424 trillion naira on Friday. That's the business news from Television Nigerian. I am Chiwendu Usisiogo. Thanks for watching.